Here's one of the more popular Corvettes we sell at Unique, especially in classics. It's a 2003 Chevrolet Corvette convertible 50th anniversary edition. Of course, anniversary red, shale interior, shale top, LS1 5.7 liter. That is paired up with the automatic with overdrive transmission. Let's go ahead and take a look at this front fascia, nose of it. You can see paint shows well on it. Just a few very small, minute spots where maybe there's just a little bit of a touch-up spot like that right there is an example, but overall paint shows well on this one. Power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. This car will also come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That's included in the price, may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email, and you can do that at 507-386-1726. Riding on the correct anniversary wheels, Goodyear Eagle radials. Check out all the still pictures, over 100 pictures of this car online, uniqueclassiccars.com. As we look down the passenger side, you can see it's not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. Of course, leather bucket seats with the 50th anniversary embroidering on them. As you can see, passenger seat, nice shape. You're also going to notice this does have the selective ride control, as well as the 12-disc changer in the trunk. Something else to remember is we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. Nice touch back here with gold inlay. Corvette insignia on the rear of it. Of course, the center dump exhaust. These have a manual top. One person can put them up and down in less than a minute. Very simple. We're going to put that up at the end of this video so we can check it out, see what kind of shape that's in. It matches the color of the interior and is made out of fabric. Also nice touch here with the color keyed rock guards, so you're not going to get as much chipping as you're going to with the tires kicking up pebbles or small stones without those rock guards. Driver's side also free of any real major nicks, dings, or scratches. All right, some of the options interior of this, of course, memory seating and power windows, power locks, and power mirrors. Driver's information center, heads-up display, AM/FM cassette player in the center console there, and then you're also going to have that 12-disc changer in the rear, dual electronic climate control Bose stereo system. So very nicely equipped. Take a look at the condition of the seat. Not really much wear there at all. What you'd expect with this kind of miles, and this is a clean Carfax car. Actually, the previous owner of this car had it since 2005. And again, just a little over 21,000 miles on it is all. No accidents indicated, confirmed miles. I'm going to have to pause this a second so I can grab the keys off the counter. Hold on. Back with the keys. Exact mileage, 21,854. No warning indicators, no check engine lights, anything like that. Heads-up display controls here. Driver's information stuff on the right side. Dash interior all looking good. There's that heads-up display. Slip around to the back of this and hear it run. Good sounding car. And let's raise the hood. Should get a look at this engine bay. Nice clean hood liner. Not a Pierce, but driven any sort of inclement weather. Should be near impossible getting around in one of these. There it is, 5.7 liter LS1 power. Power steering, power brakes, AC. Look how clean and tidy this engine bay is. We'll check those headlights in a minute too. Optimum battery. No surprises under the hood. That all looks good. Let's go ahead and close the hood back up. Oops, sorry about that. And headlights. Working as they should. Give me a second. I'm going to put this convertible top up, check out the condition of that, and we'll wrap up this video. Here it is with the top up. Nice tight fit above the windshield. And top's in the condition you'd expect looking at the rest of the car. Again, shale fabric, glass rear window, rear defrost. No rips, no tears, no holes. Really not much of any wear. A couple just light spots on this side, that's it. But you need it to keep you out of the sun or out of a pop-up shower. Going to serve the purpose just fine. You're also going to notice back here, power antenna, it does work. 2003 50th anniversary edition Chevrolet Corvette, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, low miles. Previous owner has owned this car since 2005. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Just click on that link down below the video in the description. If you're seeing this on YouTube, it's going to take you right there. Remember that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan, and it may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 2003 Chevrolet Corvette. This is the 50th anniversary edition. Special colors on this car. They look very nice. This is an automatic on the center console. Easy to drive Corvette. Great acceleration. It says it has 21,852 miles on it. And it feels like it. It feels like a new car. Let go of the wheel. Stays straight in the lane. Smooth ride. You can feel the road just as much as you'd like to with a Corvette. Handling is great.
Big Deal. Hey, it's Carrie for Big Deal.
Radio works great. Cruise is functioning. We got Bose speakers in this Corvette. It is a convertible. Just a great handling American car. Let's take the corner here. No room to do any more acceleration, but we've got heads-up display for tachometer, speedometer, oil pressure. Check out this 2003 anniversary Corvette at uniqueclassiccars.com.